sure you can't hear me, I'm going to just do this. Okay. So how do you play this stuff? I'm going to go through and play and define each part first, and then I'll play it slow and just kind of show you, I guess, how to do it. If you really want to know, you can go to my website and get the tabs for it, because I'm not a very good teacher. Anyways, okay, I'll play it slow, and here's the first part. Alright, that is the first part, and then the next part just hops right into this. Okay, and this is the final part, the third part, and I'm going to just go into it, and yeah, it'll just happen. Just like that. And that is it. I'm going to do a close-up. Okay, and here's the first part at a closer view. Okay, and here's the second part. Okay, and here's the final part. Well, I think that might have been the worst tutorial in the world, but oh well. At least you got the point, or hopefully, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, yeah. You can head over to my website, and it will have the tabs. I'll link it down below. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.